morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Parchment Fam. So today is day 4, so I'm gonna head inside now, get my tools and things. We'll go inside. I'm gonna do some sanding and I'm gonna start painting today as well. All right, so this is day 4, so I'm gonna take you along the journey with me as usual. All right, so let's get to this. All right, yes, I'm gonna grab some tools now, a bucket and stuff, and we're gonna head inside. Okay. people. So as you can see, sand off the wall now. You can barely see the putty they did because it's smooth just like the rest of the wall. So right about now, time for we start painting, Yeah man. This side too. Smooth off. Just ready to get some paint now. So I'm molding for the door. So I don't know if you remember how I used to look. Choppy be a sponge and insulation there come out tight. So I could get the molding, cut them, put them on around the door. As you can see, cut the 45 angle and put them up at the top. Put everything on so you don't know. Clean up outside now. Basically. And we're gonna start paint. So do some sweeping and some heap as well. So I'm going to take up the heap here and then I'm going to start painting. So we sand down the wall, dust them off and ready to start painting. So time to paint. Everybody, so as you can see, this is skills. Right now we are using some prime the wall before we can paint it, So the first thing is prime and then we paint. So today is priming, tomorrow we put on the real paint. So finish priming out the kitchen. As you can see, that's how it look now. So all the patches and things, you know, I don't really see them because that sand down paint really nice and smooth. That's how it look. Ceiling prime. So don't know tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow and paint. Alright, don't watch your floor, all of that I'll clean up too when we finish. Really nice. Come out to the living room. Remember that spot right here under the AC vent. That clean out, paint up and prime nice. So we're getting somewhere. Alright, that's the living room part. Ceiling paint too. Nice and white. So we'll come back tomorrow and put on semi-gloss and it now it does have prime up on there. And this, I just finished painting this little passage here, so I don't know if you remember this part where the water heater did there. Alright, that's it. So we prime that. I'll paint it tomorrow with the semi-glass as well. And this door, I just paint this door right here and pull it up. That's it. Just paint that door, prime it as well. And this one as well. This one was the door for going at the other bedroom. This is it, just prime it as well. So coming together nice. So this is inside of the room. We don't paint inside here yet. As you can see, all these garbage bags and everything, we got dump all of those. So this side, don't paint it yet. Alright, I just put on these molding this morning, so I'll paint it up tomorrow and everything, make it look nice and clean. So we're getting somewhere. Alright, so I just stop in this passage for today. Alright, and we're gonna continue on tomorrow. Alright, so that's the spot there, the patch. Alright, so I'll show you the bathroom. We don't start work on the bathroom yet. That's what I'm gonna work on tomorrow. So let's go inside and show you what I'm going. So all these, I'll cut them out. We probably cut these out this evening and plaster it, so tomorrow we just stand and paint it. So all these things in the ceiling we strip off those, plaster it and paint it tomorrow. Alright, so in the bathroom no plaster it. The plaster this spot right here, so I don't know if you can see these lines right here. That have we got to strip off and plaster too. Take out all these lights and thing and plaster up, you know. Alright. So right now we're gonna see if we can plaster that so we can paint it tomorrow. Alright. Fingers down my side. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my side? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers? Yeah, people, so just touch up some little spots. So that one inside the kitchen up there, so zoom out so I can see properly when we're there. Yeah, that spot where you see the yellow. Yeah, so touch it up. See what the good thing bulge out, so we cut it out, plaster it out, so we sand that and paint it back tomorrow. One down there, so right here, so let me zoom in so we can see it. Alright, right down there, so one day, down at the bottom, this one you want to touch up right there, so this is wet, so sand that and touch it back tomorrow. And one right there, so everything will go on the door, no? Yeah, man, so in the bathroom as well. So let's touch up the ceiling, so we strip it, plaster it off, so we'll sand it down tomorrow, so we just paint. Take out the light, so we'll replace this light here so too. And then tile here, some of these may take them out and replace them. And we'll spray all of the tiles in the light. Alright, so all of these will be holding and take out and replace all of these tiles, and change them out, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, everybody, so pick that for day 4. Do some painting, plastering, put on some door molding and thing. And so really, this is not really the paint we're gonna use. This is primer. It's white we're gonna painting, but it's not this grade of paint. This is the primer, so we're gonna put painted in white semi-glass. So I'm gonna start to put that on tomorrow after I finish doing all the little touch up I'm supposed to do. And then we put on the semi-glass, which is the final color and the final coat, however we do it. Alright, so thank you for tuning in to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time watching, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified when we have uploads on the channel. And if you're a regular viewer, thank you for tuning in again. We do appreciate the support. Alright, and don't forget, if you're not subscribed yet, don't come off this video until you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Alright, so hit that from if you're the day. We just pack up my tool them, so we just head out now and touch the road. All right, so we're gonna come back tomorrow for day 5. All right, peace.